What's up, gamers? It's Gamer Haze Boys, and today we're doing a hip new trend. It's called the Tier List Challenge, and as you can see, this is a tier list. Let's just jump right into it. We've got Parks and Recreation characters from the hit show The Office, so this should be fun. So, guys, we're gonna start today off with Tammy 2. Now, Tammy 2 is the worst human being on the planet, right? So automatically she's gonna go in F tier. That is right. No, let's take it back. She's going to hell. Tammy 2, and no, let's just jump right into it. Tammy 1 may join her. Where's Tammy 1? Where's Tammy 1? Tammy 1, right there. The Tammys are in the Shadow Realm because they do not deserve to be in any of these tiers, even F tier. We're going to go right to Garth Blundin from the one episode that he was in, but he was played by great actor Patton Oswalt, and get this, he wrote the new Star Wars film, so that's a thing. B tier for Garth. Donna Meagle. No. Yeah, Donna Meagle. Donna Meagle's a good character. She's hip. She knows all the trends. C tier. Joan Callamezzo. Honestly, I was never really a fan of Joan. F tier. John Ralphio. This is a man of style. This is a man who knows how to live. Even though he has terrible life decisions, he lives his life. A tier. Kyle from the shoe sign stand. Kyle is just a nice guy whose wife cheated on him. D tier. Mark Brandanowitz. D tier. Ann Perkins. C tier. Craig Middlebrooks. This man has got a lot of energy. He's very intense. So we're gonna go, but he cares a lot. B tier for Craig. Detlef Schrempf. Detlef Schrempf is a nice guy, and he donated to charity. C tier. Councilman Milton. He is the hippest jive. He knows all the scoobers that need to be rocked. He knows everything. This man is a true baller. F tier. Bobby Newport. Bobby Newport was Leslie's opponent, but he was a heck of a guy. D tier. Let's see. What's next? Barney from the accounting firm. A tier. Shauna Malwae-Tweep. F tier. Councilman Dexhard. Shadow Realm. Andy Dwyer. This guy is awesome. And Chris Pratt is awesome. S tier. Harris and Brett. Well, you see, Harris and Brett are great. And they're straight up bosses. B tier. April Ludgate. B tier. Let's see who do we have next. Jeremy Jam. This man, this Brokemon, knows how to live life. He is the best person on the planet. S tier. Ron Swanson. A tier. Ben Wyatt, Human Disaster. B tier. Perd Hapley. S. The person I am putting in the S tier is named Perd Hapley. Lil Sebastian. S tier. Leslie Knope. B tier. Why did I put her in? Damn this stupid program. Okay. Jerry Gergich. A tier. He's a nice man. Actually, no, scratch that. F tier for Jerry. Tom Haverford. B tier. Christopher Traeger. Chris is a pretty great guy. A tier. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this sick list of characters from Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Anyways, adios, gamers.